Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh Lockpicker, and what I've got for you today is this really nice safe lock, or you'd find these on medicine cabinets or anything like that really. So here's the key. So just look at the bitting on that. That is quite nasty. Very easy to overset some bits on this. So we're going to give it a go. I'll just show as we go. So the bolt only retracts halfway because most of the time that's housed within the cabinet itself, so it doesn't need the full travel. So you can't actually turn the key twice like you can in some locks. So yeah, just have a last look at that bitting, and rather than use any sort of safe 2-in-1 pick, I'm going to try it with this tensioner, which just about fits in there. Turn it all the way over. You can see the bolt start to retract a little bit, and a Nigby tensioner. So it's fairly the long wire, so we'll go in there, see what we can do. Just looking for anything there, any little core movement. Just trying to avoid that very last lever because I know that's pretty much a zero lift. Okay, not feeling much in this. I think it is a fairly gummed up lock as well. Okay, something just dropped. Very, very deep. Okay, we definitely had some core movement there. So I'll just tickle these now. See if we can get anything. Okay, I'm just going to release the tension a little bit just to see, just in case I've overset something. Oh, there we go. Yep, something was overset. So by me just releasing the tension, try and get this back out again. Oh, there we go. So yeah, what I did, I must have overset the first lever, and then as I released the tension, it dropped down and allowed us to have the open. So there we go. So there we have it. This safe lock opened with traditional pick wires and tensioner. So that's all we've got time for. Diolch yn fawr.